No, what?
Just show your van and explain like you're talking.
You've got a desk?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. That is amazing.
Yeah, this is my favorite part actually, is my
Oh
desk.
wow, and what is this map of? I love maps.
Actually, it's all the places that we've been. So I can just keep adding to it. So
Nice.
that's General Sherman. This is camping sites. So it's just a little decoupage. So like I'm gonna like actually get all these and probably just cut them all up.
Oh, I love
And then put them
stickers.
up. Yeah, I don't
And you
like
got
solid
everybody's,
stickers. Yeah,
nice.
see how everything's cut up?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got stickers. I got my own sticker.
Oh, that's your sticker?
Yeah, it's my little hammer girl. I have her on everything.
Good.
But yeah, my laptop sits down here. Comes out.
How handy.
And then we have that. 'Cause I do,
Are you a carpenter?
yeah, I'm a carpenter, so I do SketchUp. And this is where I sit to do my drawings.
What is that device?
This is my 3D mouse. So when I'm drawing, I'll show you. 10% when I'm drawing. Whoa.
Whoa.
All right, so this is 3D, so I can flip my drawings around. That's my mouse here.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but this is just something I'm starting for my neighbor over here. But yeah, so this is my little setup. And then when it's cold outside, we inside here. So you'll sit here, I'll sit there. And then at night it becomes our nightstand. We put everything,
Yes.
offload everything into that.
This is great.
I need to plug in. I got my 10%, and I got to do some work. So
You got full house plugs.
yeah, we're set up completely to do everything here.
That's great.
For that, when we designed it, we put that together.
Yeah.
And so this little desk, my little chair, this is my favorite little thing. And we have a shower
A nice big shower.
and a composting toilet.
Is
Yeah,
it what's behind the shower? Or the
That's
curtains?
just the doors.
Oh, that's the end of the rig. There we are.
That's the end of the rig. We designed it so that the curtain's stuck. Mark, let's have the door open here. And, whoa. Delete that part.
Magic of editing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Edit that out. Yeah, so we have an on-demand hot water heater back here.
Okay.
So we can
Nice.
get the nice hot water, and this just kind of goes all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
And as long as the curtains are inside the truck, then it goes inside the gray water tank. We have a 20 gallons gray, 20 gallons fresh water.
Nice.
So
Good.
no black tank. We have the composting toilet. I feel like I can barely talk.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, plastic container with one draining system right that leads to your tank.
What was that?
It's like a plastic container under that wood right there, right?
No, it's actually stainless steel.
Oh, nice.
It's stainless steel set at a slope, and we surrounded it with just
That'll
walnut. Yeah, so it's actually stainless steel.
That'll last so much longer.
Oh yeah, and just silicone, just so that it doesn't, get bad. And
Wow.
yeah,
Nice.
I didn't want a big hard body, and since I'm a carpenter, I need to be able to use this as a work truck.
Mhm.
So I can still bring in plywood pieces and 2x4s,
Yeah.
and I can still
I like that.
do all that. I put this up, and I put crates of, tools and everything, so it still functions as.
So where's the bed
Here, let
hidden?
me show you.
And you made everything yourself.
Yeah,
Are you a finished carpenter or just a carpenter?
I'm rough to finish.
Rough to finish?
Yeah,
Oh,
rough
okay.
to finish.
That's
so I do
awesome.
it all.
Because this is beautiful
I can
work.
do rough framing on up to cabinets and cabinetry and doors.
You
And
even have a hammer.
Oh, that's so cute.
we also have a metal one right here, the little ball peen.
Oh, that's awesome.
So that's my hose, which I haven't used, but I need to. I have a vacuum that's back here.
You built in yourself a known vacuum.
Well, I own vacuum, so we can vacuum bugs and vacuum.
Not
clean
only
up.
How long have
are
you-
you a professional carpenter, but you're a trophy wife too.
Yeah, I totally like. We went all out.
I
Our
love
heater,
it.
our heater comes out here. And here's our thermostat for it. As a matter of fact, I should turn it
Oh,
off.
that's beautiful. I love the turn knobs.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. I had them do them all in.
I was seeing that system.
Oh,
I
that's
thought that was for your
beautiful.
lights. So you even
Yeah, I
have
thought
dimming
that was.
lights.
I thought that was. That's the outside. Why is that on?
The door is open.
Well, I thought that was disconnected.
Oh, interesting.
Babe, Marco, come here for a minute, please.
How long have you guys been in this rig?
We don't live in it full time just yet.
Okay.
But so our longest travel was our summer travel for 2 months.
Okay.
5 weeks in Burning Man. We take it places, but we're not full time. We still have a place.
I mean,
It just
The
turned on.
light, how did it, the light was on.
What light?
That light
In the cabinet.
in the
kidding?
cabinet. Yeah, I thought it was disconnected.
That one's never been on.
No, it was.
It just was on.
It was just there. It is.
Oh. I guess I never disconnected it.
I thought you disconnected it.
I guess, I mean, maybe this way's all the way off. It must have been something when you opened the door, the back or something, and it came on.
Okay.
So now it's over to the left, it won't come on.
Okay.
Interesting.
Yeah, I was like, I thought we disconnected that.
I thought I did too.
Well, at least we.
You know
have-
what? I left it connected because it's a CAN bus system and everything. The computer acts weird if you do
Okay.
stuff with the electronics, so I just leave it alone.
Yeah, so this is gonna get finished off like this too,
Oh, okay.
with the cabinet doors, because
Oh, that's awesome that it's. Is that spring loaded or?
this is. It's just the hardware.
That piston.
The pistons, yeah. I like that. So it goes slow up on top, and then it'll come down.
And it'll hold it
and
there.
hold it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that here, so it doesn't look so cluttery. I added the valance because I had no wall for art, and I live in an artist community, so we gotta put art up.
That is
I got a whole
beautiful.
bunch here that are going up for my friends.
That's
that
so
I can
nice.
Enjoy my my art.
it
you know?
makes it just feel that much more
Homier.
homier.
Yeah, exactly.
It does.
It's got a homey feel.
Yeah.
It does. I really I like the space. I like, putting my bed away.
Yeah, if I
Mm-hmm.
had to go with a color scheme, I'd go with the blue and the off gray.
Yeah,
I like those colors.
yeah.
I don't know what
You see, I see two grays. You see a blue? Oh, here's a blue.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you see a blue. I have
And
a
you
thing with
got
his
the blue
daughter.
towel hanging up in
His
the back.
daughter. I think she's slightly colorblind because there's always like the blue and green issue between her and I. I'm like, it's not blue, it's green. She's like, no, I see it blue. I'm like, oh my God, you and your blues. You're screwed up with your blues. Lacey doesn't have bright colors.
Maybe she's colorblind.
Maybe.
Yeah, so like little, but yeah, go ahead and.
Is that where all the places you've been? Where you put
Yeah,
the tack?
this is our last. That was our summer trip, going all the way up the coast and crossed and hit Yellowstone and.
Oh, you've been into Idaho?
Yep,
I'm from
Idaho.
Boise.
Oh
My
yeah,
friend's from Ketchum.
yeah.
Oh, it's such a beautiful area
It was
near
beautiful. They
Sun
took us
Valley.
flow-bying.
Yes, it's so much fun. That is the pastime
Was this like
in Idaho.
ceiling? Was that
Been
a
to
kit,
such.
or did you just?
You'll have to put one up here.
It's just
And
painted
we did
plywood.
it.
Because I know there are some.
Pretty
kits
cool,
that-
right?
I'd have to give credit
That's
to
my
somebody who
name.
I can't remember because I saw the way he did it. I
Sexton?
did it
Yeah.
similar to him, so
Really?
if I
I've
just
never
go up there
seen
and do
that
anything,
before.
I'd pull the panel off.
That's my last name.
I've seen
Oh,
it.
that's cool.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's
this bottle we
nice.
saved it.
Get to it.
It's been
It's a
empty,
lot of
but
work 'cause
Mark
you gotta
really
pull
liked the
it,
bottle.
put it
It's
So
up.
Irish whiskey.
Both
That's
sides.
funny.
that funny?
Primer strip is like
Yes.
the steel struts has a furring strip on it, and that's just a piece of wood that's attached to the metal, and then you can just screw the panel into the wood.
Smart. I
strips.
never. See, that's
You
what
lose a little bit of height, and it's so. This is for me. I'm 5'11", and you really when somebody comes in here about 6 foot, some 6'1" or so, then they're kind of
Hitting.
because I lost some.
But
I
it
lost
works
about
for you.
an inch and a quarter on the floor, and I lost about an inch and a half on the
Mark,
top.
I'll show
Yeah.
you the build.
Well, now you guys
Come over here.
documented that.
Oh yeah, we documented everything. We had to.
Not as much as you guys probably got for this stuff. We don't have to
That's
edit
what
it.
our van looked like.
I didn't document
That's it.
that as much at the beginning.
Well, Mark did pretty good because he did a lot, most of the work.
That is so awesome.
So that's our first little thing, which he actually modified to get a step on it.
Of course, we have a nice shop.
Swivel. for the seats.
Yeah, that's so nice.
That's so nice.
I mean, I didn't feel like I was in your way when you're video recording. I didn't feel like I was in your way.
No, and I'm sitting over here, and it's comfortable, right?
There's so much room. You could have a party in here.
Yeah.
That's not an accident, you know. It takes squeezing inches and fractions of inches out of everything just to get it.
Taking the time to design
See a lot of
it.
them that are cramped.
So
right?
this is like
exactly.
in December we started getting the things in. We bought it in November. December we started getting the stuff come in, and we started building.
Really hard.
That's about
Right,
December
because like
23rd.
she said I have a lot of usable space, and I said, well, we didn't like try to stand up or on
That's
our
our
knees
floor.
or anything. Like we set it up.
Where were you able
everywhere.
to do all this work?
We have a
Sitting
warehouse,
down.
or had. We don't have a warehouse anymore, but we still have my loft. So we had a warehouse that we had. We can do all the work. Pull in, did the floor. The floor's got all the insulation. Let me show her. This is what we did on the floor.
That's awesome.
That, and then what do you call it?
It's pretty
Plywood,
insulated.
and then
Yeah.
this. So it's very insulated.
That's what we did. We insulated the floor, put a piece of plywood down, and then got hardwood, and then stapled the hardwood to the
To the
plywood.
yeah.
Wow.
See, they delivered it all broken.
What?
These are all. See, this is all getting from December or January. We're getting all the components coming in. That's my heater down below, and even that came broken too. The glass that was in it. Yeah, it's funny. All right, so here's our sides. We've got rattle trap, and then the 1 inch, and then we put that grate stuff on.
Yeah.
And then we did the
I see what you're talking
bubble
about
wrap.
using those.
All right, so
boards.
see the sticks. That's what you were asking about up above.
Yes.
So we basically made frames so that because we knew we were gonna put this up here, and we knew I was gonna put this here. And I wanted it so that if we ever get any leaks or anything, it's just one piece that comes out.
Love
That's, you know, so that maintenance. Yeah. In case anything ever happens, it's just gonna happen.
So
you know.
smart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now, why was there crisscross boards? I understand that's
Oh,
probably just to
hold it, or just
Are you gluing?
Yeah, we're gluing the great stuff. So we're gluing that onto the
so
thing.
cool.
Yeah.
So we're just using the boards to hold it in place until it dries.
You guys are so funny. Of course you're gonna do it the Carpenter way.
That was my old van, Shanae.
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 Yeah, so see how the top is.
How long have you been living in a van or part-time living in a van?
Well, it's been a year now. Well, we've had it for 2 years, but March.
You sound like you've been on the road like a month. You've been on the road way longer than you give yourself credit.
Yeah, this is amazing.
No, this van is awesome. I love it. We take it to Burning Man. We go to places and stuff, but we're not living in it full time. But we can if we wanted to. But I love where I live in LA.
We've seen this rig in Vegas. It was from Burning Man, and it was like just this trailer, but it was this like you could get lost in those 3 stories, but it was just on the back of a trailer. Like they built it like a fun house.
Oh yeah, that's the art cars and stuff. Have you been to Burning Man?
No, I haven't, but they were in Vegas and I got to see that.
You got to see it. Yeah, so at the end, see all that tape there is like where I wanted the lights. I'm like, I want a light here, I want a light here, I want a light here.
I see that.
So you run all the wiring, all the wiring and everything. This is see how we have our little layouts.
Oh,
On the
awesome.
ground, we laid everything out, and we wanted to see how the
Everything's
feel
like
was going to be. Hi, sweetie.
Yeah, yeah.